Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I will now show you how to get a link to my WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Write comments. Put likes. Let's get started. In order to do this, we need to go to WhatsApp. And in order to get or send a link to your WhatsApp with you. Unfortunately, there is no such function that you can do specifically and send. But it can be done. So we go to the chat. Open any chat. Then here we write with you Bill. Then a, then a dot. And put a slash like this. Now write your phone number on which our account is linked. Make sure to write here our operator. We write how we spell it in our country. And then we send. Now as you can see the link is sent. And we can get the link. Now we can click on share it. Send it to some user. He will click on it, and it will automatically go to our chat. And then he'll have our account appear. So he immediately clicks on the link, and he goes straight to it. That's how easy it is to get a link to your WhatsApp. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.